Hey friends, if the Wi-Fi drivers are missing on your computer and you wish to install them, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, since the Wi-Fi drivers are not present in the device manager, let me open it for you. They are present for me, but let's say that you do not have them, then you will not be able to update them or reinstall them or do anything. In this case, you can try the following. Open google.com. Now, one may ask, how will I open google.com if I cannot connect to the internet at the first place? So, open it on a different computer or open it on your phone, any device. All we need to do is find the patch file. So, open google.com and search for Intel Wi Fi drivers if you have an Intel computer, or AMD Wi Fi drivers if you have an AMD computer. You'll find this option for Wi Fi drivers. Simply open this one. So now we are on the page for Intel Wi-Fi drivers. You mostly have a 64-bit computer, so I'll download the 64-bit computer. I accept the license terms, and it will be downloaded as an exe file. So an exe file is quite a light file. All you need to do is that you need to transfer it to your system through a pen drive, or here's one more thing that you can do. You can upload it to Google Drive and then download it on your computer. Okay, so this is for the Intel and AMD Wi-Fi drivers, but if you want brand specific Wi-Fi drivers, like HP also introduces Wi-Fi drivers, and if you have an HP computer or an Asus computer, then search for HP Wi-Fi drivers. Open HP Wi-Fi drivers, wait for the page to load. It will ask for your version and your serial number and everything, and once you enter that, you will be led to the page from where you can download the Wi-Fi drivers. Again, that will be a light exe file. All you need to do is that you need to upload it to Google Drive, and then you need to download it on your computer. And if you cannot download it on your computer, then use a pen drive to transfer it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then please let us know in the comment section on how we could improve it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.